What we'll do is we'll crank it up once we get it, check for leaks, and then we'll check your oil. You know, because it'll have it run in there by then, and you know, and then we can know exactly how much oil is here. And we're gonna take it loose. I'm gonna take this one loose.
Because it's not hot.
Yeah. I don't know if that's gonna work because it's too much at an angle, but that'll keep it from pouring coolant. Alright. There. Yeah.
Gonna be a tight fit.
It's not gonna be able to make the bend. We're gonna have to. What I need, is actually shorten these factory coolant lines right here. Clean file off them. Bam. Like that. Little jump. Where is the file? Gotta file this. That turned out real good.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's see. Where'd that other fit go? Oh, I know where it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But of course we want to keep an eye on it, for the next week or two. Let's tighten that up a little bit. That'll help. You need an ATI dampener. You need a performance dampener.
What is that?
It keeps the vibrational out of the engine. It dampens just like your engine mount, stuff like that. So all this extra torque and horsepower you're putting in there, it saves like your crank and your bearings and shit. It's a real good upgrade. It costs quite a bit. Don't put me something, man. If you want to, you can tell me. You want to check with me, Matt? Yeah, man, I can eat with you. But I had to clean my house, and I'm gonna get another game with it.
As long as it goes on there snug, and then the clamp will hold it. But if it flops on there,
no, I mean,
that's bad.
Yeah, it ain't like walled out or nothing.
At least it's clean.
Okay, all right, so
It's like a race car with a bunch of
Coolers.
bolt-ons.
like I said, at least it'll look fucking mean. You can intimidate people.
Look at all the shit I got.
Yeah, my shit's fucking professional. Don't fuck with me. I'll dust your ass.
It's like amazing.
I'll out cool your car.
Yeah.
Like,
You know what's gonna suck?
What?
Whenever I have you put bigger injectors in, you gotta undo that whole manifold.
Uh-huh. Oh, you're gonna pay for that one.
I gave you the special wrench. Actually, no, your dad just took it.
Yeah. That was pay
That
for
was
the shop.
labor fee.
It's awful loose. And I got the close clamp all the way down. You may have to get, since it's made for the G37, it may be too small or too big a, yeah, see, I got that thing all the way tight and I can pull that line off. It ain't gonna work. The line. Not too much. Okay. And we're gonna swap this fitting and that fitting to the two sides. Let's see if maybe it'll clear. Move. So. Alright, what the fuck? You just stopped drizzling. Okay. Just trying not to get oil all in that shit, but I'll be that way about it. This, because this is going to come down and it's going to hit on this.
Doesn't this have more slack than this one?
Oh, yeah, it does have more
So
slack.
this could go under this, couldn't it?
No, this can go back up. That's the thing. Ah, yeah, okay, that's it right there. So that can go right there. Okay, I got it. This will do it. This will actually do it. See, this can go up now since we're going to put it right here because this is going to come down. So I should be able to put this one here. Like so, because this is going to be coming down even farther, so I won't touch this. And then we'll put this one right here, like so, and that should give us enough clearance to do it. Yeah, I think that'll do. Keep it up like that. Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, O-ring. I didn't see it.
Gotta use different ones now?
Huh?
Gotta use a different
I
one?
don't know. Oh, didn't mean to go that fast. So far, so good. And it's not touching anything. And it's gonna roll down. I think we're gonna have it good right there.
Sweet.
Hit neither one when we pick it up, so it's like a win-win. So it doesn't hit when it sits, and it doesn't hit when we lift it. Now if we can just get past this fucking oil leak, we'll be in good shape. Motherfucker. Piece of shit. A little bit of a hiccup, but
Yeah. So it's like 85 degrees, and that is our oil temp. Steady 180. Normally, when I put the supercharger on, the oil temp was 200. Just driving like this, it'd be 200 degrees. So it's dropped 20 degrees. And when I did a bunch of pulls with Anthony earlier, the highest it went was like, it went up to about like 195, and then it dropped straight down to 180. So I'm pretty happy with it. So we weren't able to get the transmission cooler on. So I mean, we have it mounted, but we need an adapter for it. So for the piece to fit, for the line. So that'll have to be a separate video. But we got the oil cooler on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This oil cooler was like $110 off of eBay. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.